Hi there. In this video, as a follow-up to my previous one, I'm going to show you how I mapped my MPK49 to the MPC software so that I can use the faders and the knobs on my controller. Let's do it. Alright guys, so here my objective is to be able to use my MPK49 controller along with the MPC software, and I would like to improve my workflow and since version 2.2 Akai introduced the Midi learn functionality, which makes it very easy to map any controllers with the MPC software. So in this one, I'm going to show you how I did map my controller to the MPC, and maybe that's something that can be useful for you. So in order to go to the Midi Learn menu, you need to go to the bottom right of the screen. So the second icon is the Midi Learn. So it's going to trigger this screen right here, and basically you have your view with the global parameters as well as the project parameters. I'm not going to be too technical on this one. I'm just going to show you how it worked for me. So basically here you have some factory settings. So in case you own one of these controllers, which are already defined here in the software, they will be automatically mapped to your software, and then you can open those settings and modify them and make them work for you. So currently, like for Akai, they have some mapping for a couple of keyboards, but none that I own. So for instance, I see that if I had an MPK Mini, I would have the mapping already. And in my case, I have a MPK 49. They have the mapping for the Advanced 49 as well as the MPK 249. Nothing for me, but I don't care. I'm going to make it work for me. So for the global parameter, I'm going to start by mapping my faders. In order to do that, the first thing you need to do is head over to the menu, go to Edit, Preferences, you go to the MIDI sync, make sure that you highlight Master, Control, and Track, and then you can come back to the global parameters. So here it's very simple. So as you can see, you have in the drop down for the views a couple of parameters already available. To record a mapping, you need to click first on Learn. You will see that Enable will be grayed out. This will allow you to do your mapping. So let's go to the Q-Link section. I already have done my mapping, but I'm just going to clear some of these in order to show you how it works. Alright, so here, let's say I want to map my Q-Link 1. So the first thing I need to do is click on Learn, and then select the row which I want to modify. So if I wanted to modify my Q-Link 1, I will start moving my slider, and you will see that it already has recognized this fader, and as long as it has done so, I can click on Learn again, and that's it, it's mapped. I'm just going to move so you can see. I'm just going to resize this window right here, put it on the top so that it doesn't bother. Okay. Alright, so next I click on the second row, click on Learn, just move my fader, click on Learn again, it's mapped. I do the same thing, Q-Link 3, click on Learn, move it up, 4, Learn, 5, 6. Once I'm done, I click on learn again, and as you can see, I can now control these faders. That's kind of it for now. I just wanted to make sure I could control my faders, my knobs, that I can. So it's all good, man. I'm going to have a lot of fun with these. I feel like I have like for mixing, it's going to be awesome. For real. Yeah. That's it, guys. That's all for today. Take care.